Hello everybody and welcome to another video. In this video we are not going to talk about the Flutter, we are talking about the 4 tips in Dart. So let's go and see. Number 1, we have data type. What is really data type? In this screen you will get more about the data type and you will see the example also. Data types are ways of telling Dart what kind of the data stored is stored in memory. They make it easier for the programmer and the computer to understand what they are dealing with. And at the same time, you will minimize the risk of calculating invalid operators such as adding a number to text and operation whose result might not be easy to understood by the computer. So let's take the example here. In here you can see this 10. This is the example of an integer 10, and this one is a string inside single quote marked, as you can see the single quote, and inside this is the string. This is a double precision value 3.14, and this one is the list is represented by this square bracket, and the element inside the list can be separated by the commas, and we can use the list like this. We can also have a hash map. A hash map is also called key value pairs. So it defined inside this curly bracket. This is the key and this is the value. The key is also inside the single quote comma as a string, and the value is also inside the single quote comma. And between the key and value we have a column, and every key value pairs in the hash map is separated by the comma, and key 2 column value 2. And let's go next. What is variable? A variable is a named piece of information with data types that contain data in the memory, be it in the stack or in the heap. Variables usually have a name and data type, and they either contain a value or not. It's optional. There are naming conventions for the variables and other rules as to what data type can be assigned to based on their data types. So let's take this example of variables. Here are some variables. var 4 is equal to 10. This is a variable named 4, and it contains this value is 10. And the other line, 4 is equal to 4 plus 1, 8, 1, 2, 4. And this one, variable bar is equal to single quote comma bar. In here, bar multiply equal to 2, bar becomes bar bar. Now in line 11, var bus is equal to 1.2 and semicolon at the end, and in the last line, at the last line you can see the bus equal to bus plus 3. Bus is now 4.2. Okay, I hope you understand the variable. Let's go to the next one. What is really Dart? In here, Dart is the language that sits behind Flutter, Google's revolutionary UI framework. Coding Dart on website. Dart is a client-optimized language for developing fast apps on any platform. Its, its goal is to offer the most productive programming language for multi-platform development. Period with flexible execution runtime platform for app framework. Example: Dart has many built-in features such as support for many data types such as integer, doubles, and so on. This is the example of variable integer, and this is the final example. 2 is equal to 1.2. It is the example of the double. And also we have void func. This is the function, also support functions, and also functions type definitions. And as you can see in this line, my callback is equal to void function and the parameter. So this is about the Dart. Now you can see the keyword. Keywords are words in the programming language that are reserved for the language itself. In Dart, there are a variety of words that are reserved for the language and shouldn't be used otherwise as variable name. Or for instance, some of these words are here, as you can see: the break, false, true, final, constant, enum, else, abstract, and many more, which are documented by the Google folks at the Google. As you can see here, is the abstract and class animal. Here is the abstract is a keyword and the class is also a keyword. We cannot use it as a name of variable or a name of a class. Here the word const is a keyword. As you can see here, const name is equal to $4. The const is a keyword, so it could not be used for the name or for the name of class or for the name of any variable. And this is the final keyword. There are many more other keywords also that we cannot use them. So there are many other keywords that we have. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you learned something. And if you like it, you can press the like button, and see you guys on the next video.